Hi guys, my name is Jen and this is my channel Embracing Chaos. If you're new here, welcome, and if you are a returning friend, welcome back. I'm so excited to have every single one of you here. Today I am sharing a brand new subscription box. It is a very common one, but new to my channel. I did get it last month. I recorded the video, however I couldn't get it edited and up in time to be able to share it with you because I've already got the next one. I have here the October Boxycharm. This is Boxycharm Premium. For those of you who are not familiar with Boxycharm, there are 3 different levels. I think there's the base box, the premium, and then there's the luxe. I will leave all the information for the boxes down below. I know for the premium, I pay $34.99 a month, and that is about to jump up to, I believe, $39.99 a month. They're increasing their prices. I think that's fair. I mean, it is what it is. You have to decide what you want to pay and what you don't, and I'm okay with that one. I believe the base box is $25 a month, and then the luxe, I'm not quite sure how much that is, but I do know that that is one that you get every 3 months, and when you get that box, you don't get the base box. So that's all I know about that. I will leave, like I said, a link to their website down below so you can go and check it out. And I will also post a link down below so if you guys choose to get this, I can save you some money off of your first box. So thank you in advance to anybody who chooses to use that link because I believe I will get a discount on my next box as well. Before we get started on checking out what is in here, guys, real quick, if you wouldn't mind giving this video a thumbs up, I would truly appreciate it. It really helps to communicate to YouTube that you guys are enjoying my content and encourages them to promote my videos, which in turn allows us to grow our YouTube family. I do have a personal goal of reaching 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And I really think we can do it, guys. I really think we can. So if you're not a member of my YouTube family, please consider hitting that subscribe button down in the corner. I would love to have you and love the opportunity to get to know you better. Okay, let's go ahead and see what we have in our October glossy box. Go ahead and open it. Oof. There's what the inside looks like. It's got some foam padding on top of it. Or I guess it's on the inside. There's the inside of the box. I see some stuff that I like in here. So what we have here, Boxycharm Spellbound. I like it. So here is some of the sale information, guys. Again, you can go to the website and check this out. I have not been able to take advantage of the pop-up sales or anything like that yet, but I have seen so many other YouTubers that have, and guys, I cannot wait. Some people say the only reason they get the subscription box is so they can continue to take advantage of the pop-up sales and the other sales that Boxycharm has. So, yeah, just gonna say. And then on the back, which I apologize in advance, guys, I'm gonna have to put my glasses on because this is tiny print, but we do have descriptions of the products and then the price values. So let me go ahead and put these on now. I apologize for the glare. I know it drives you guys crazy, but I gotta be able to read what I'm looking at. So I apologize. All right, first things first, we've got a great big huge bottle. This is Pericone MD Vitamin C Ester Citrus Brightening Cleanser. Nice. This is 6 fluid ounces, and it does have a safety seal on it. I'm not going to open that quite yet. I'm still using up my watermelon cleanser for my Good Vibes Scribe box. Let's go ahead and read about this real quick, though. It is Vitamin C Ester Citrus Brightening Cleanser. It is a value of $35. It says this fresh cleanser is formulated with Pericone MD's proprietary vitamin C ester, a more potent and less irritating form of vitamin C to visibly smooth and brighten. Very nice. Next. Oh. Lily Lashes Level Up Lash Enhancing Serum. Oh, I need this. Let's see if I can get it so you guys can read it. That is awesome. Vegan biotin, red ginseng, and amino acids. I'm going to start using this right away. But not if I can't figure out how to open it. Gotta be smarter than the box. See, that's one of my struggles. Oh, this is awesome, guys. Look at this packaging. Well, I guess I have to hold it this way. I feel like it's backwards, though. Look, Lily Lashes. Go ahead and open it. It's got a little thin, fine brush applicator. Very cool, very cool. I will take it. Let me see what kind of information I have on this one for you. Oh my gosh, MSRP for this, guys? $65. Wow, $65. My gosh. Ooh. Level Up Lash Enhancing Serum is a powerful, results-driven lash serum promoting ultimate lengthening, strengthening, and conditioning benefits while enhancing the overall appearance of your natural lashes in as little as 4 weeks. Wowzers. Wow. $65. It says apply serum directly to the lash line on clean, dry skin every night for 12 weeks. 1 dip of the wand is enough serum for both eyes. Avoid touching your eyes until serum has dried. Once satisfied with results, use 2 to 3 times per week to maintain results. Wow. I may have to do it before and after that. That's exciting. I'm very excited to have that. Okay. Let's pick our next item. Oh, this is gorgeous. Tarte Man-Eater Plumping Gloss. Ooh-wee, I love this. It is gorgeous. I love plumping glosses. I am so obsessed with them right now. And I am going to start using this right away because I start using all of my glosses right away. Look again, guys, the packaging. Is that not cute? That is adorable. I'm going to put some on. It has a great big huge doe foot applicator. No smell, but let's put some on and see. It kind of matches the shade I already have on. Ooh. I can feel that working right away. I love I love lip plumpers. Let's go ahead and read about this. Tarte Man-Eater Plumping Gloss. It is a value of $19. Apply Tarte Man-Eater Plumping Gloss for visibly plumper looking lips. The nourishing formula smooths the lips and wraps them in lasting hydration, color, and shine, while the Volume Plump Complex works to visibly plump the lips with just 1 swipe. I like it. It's not sticky or anything, which is awesome for a plumping gloss. I'm just going to say. I've used some very sticky ones. Oh, this is interesting. It's in a plastic bag, so I'll go ahead and take it out. But it's in a metal box. It reminds me of the old Band-Aid containers. Look, it's metal. Very neat. This is Dew of the Gods Under Eye Volumizing Collagen Pads. 10 sets. It opens like that. And then that's what they look like. That's awesome. That is really cute. I love it. Look, it just snaps shut. Let's read about those. Okay, Fill a Collagen Under Eye Pads. This has an MSRP of 20 bucks. Why inject when you can object to dull, tired under eyes with the powerful bounce of hydrogel, collagen, vitamin C, and witch hazel to plump, lift, and revitalize your look? Witch hazel must be a really popular thing for the under eye because I just got some other under eye masks that have witch hazel in them too. It's like an iced coffee for the soul. 30 minutes of bliss. Each Philipad is blessed by a Zen Buddhist monk to inspire the power of gratitude. What are you thankful for? They're really blessed by a Zen Buddhist monk. That's interesting. Dew of the Gods. Can't complain, right? All right, next we've got Georgia by Benefit. I'm not quite sure what this is. It is 8 grams or 0.28 ounces. Oh, look, it opens up like this. How cute is that? Oh, it's got a mirror on there. Sorry to blind you. And it's got a brush. And then that's what's on the inside. How pretty is that? It does smell like peaches, just so you know. All right, Benefit Georgia Peach. Let's see what that is. I forgot where I put my card. Okay, Benefit Cosmetics Georgia Golden Peach Blush. That's a very pretty blush too, and it would match this lip plumper really well. It is a $30 value. A peachy dream come true. Benefit's cult favorite Georgia Golden Peach Blush is back and sweeter than ever. Georgia is a warm, vibrant peach. I'm having a hard time talking because my lips. Georgia is a warm, vibrant peach shade with a soft golden shimmer for a hint of glow. This silky smooth, superfine powder blends effortlessly to give cheeks a fresh picked flush and a peachy keen sheen. I will take it. That's beautiful. And then the last thing that we got is a triangle. This is it Liz or LYS Beauty No Limits Matte Bronzer. I don't know if that's pronounced, if it's the letters or if it's pronounced Lice or Liz. I apologize. I am new to these beauty products, so you guys will have to school me. Sorry. Let's go ahead and open this. Boy, they have some funky packaging this time, don't they? This is called Harmony, and it is a medium bronzer. There, open it there. Ooh, it's a shiny packaging. It's a shiny packaging. Look at that. Fancy. I am so excited about that. Golly. Oh, and it does have a mirror. It's magnetic. It has a mirror, so let me try and cover that for you. This is a very, very pretty bronzer. Hopefully you guys can see that. I don't want to swatch it. I don't know if I'm going to use it later or put it in a giveaway, and I would hate to send somebody something with a fingerprint in it. So, I mean, fingerprint of mine. Who could be upset, right? All right, so let me put this back in here. Let's go ahead and read about that one. That's really fun. This is a great box this month. Last month's box was awesome too. It was awesome. In fact, maybe I'll still show you guys. I don't know. I feel bad putting up a video from last month, but I am just like so excited about Boxycharm. You guys have no idea. So let's go ahead and check this out. This is the LYS Beauty No Limits Matte Bronzer. It is an $18 value. Irresistibly velvety in texture, this clean, easy to blend bronzer delivers a sun-kissed glow and a stunning dimension that pulls your look together with a natural matte finish, which right now I am all about the matte finishes. Formulated with niacinamide, sodium hyaluronate, and green tea extract, this finely milled bronzer gives skin the warmth you want while blurring the look of imperfections in texture. Vegan, cruelty-free, and talc-free. Very cool. Very cool. All right, let's go through what we got here really quick one more time, and then I will let you guys go because I'm going to go play with my new makeup. We've got this Vitamin C Cleanser by Pericone MD. All about the brightening cleansers. I'm very excited to have that. I only have a little bit of my watermelon cleanser left. We've got these Dew of the Gods, which are blessed collagen eye patches. We've got the Tarte Man Eater Plumping Lip Gloss. I don't think I told you guys what it was called. The name of this is Buff. And guys, it feels really cool on my lips, I'm just going to say. And there's what that looks like. I can really feel it working. Like my top lip especially. I can really feel it doing some stuff. It's doing stuff, guys. Stuff. Then we've got the Lily Lashes Level Up Eye Serum. I am so excited to do this. I think I will do a before and after picture for you guys so we can see what it looks like. We've got the Georgia Blush. Super cute packaging. It comes with a little brush. And then that is what the blush looks like. Again, guys, it smells like peaches. Smells like peaches. Maybe it's just my imagination. What a fun imagination, though. And then last but not least, we've got this LYS Beauty No Limits Matte Bronzer in Harmony, which is the medium color. Very, very pretty. Very pretty. All right, guys, what do you think? If you guys get Boxycharm, let me know what you got down in the comments. Let me know what you think of these products. Guys, again, if you wouldn't mind doing the whole thumbs up, subscribe thing, I would truly, truly appreciate it. I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I will see you for the next box. Bye.